Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Java constructors are essential for setting up objects correctly. Find the right line to initialize the city population variable in this quick coding challenge. The constructor's job is to take the incoming parameter value and store it inside the private instance variable. In this case, we must assign the value of num people to our population. Looking at the code, population is our target variable on the left side of the assignment. We use the equal sign to move the data from the parameter into that field. Option A reverses the logic and others use non-existent variables. This makes option C the only correct way to initialize our city class. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing to prevent errors and always trust the given variable names for success.